Okay, these are a number of sources that we can look at as well. Okay, and I'm just doing this as an additional power generation thing. Okay, we're showing you what happened here. Okay, and what we can look at overall on this. Okay. Okay. Here we have massive generators. Okay, and that's the real world situation that you would find yourself in. Some of you may even end up working in areas such as this. Okay. And I've done here, show you the basic principle here, okay, and steam power generation conceptual diagram, okay. Here we are as well, okay, just for your information, okay, overall. Thank you. Okay, good. Thank you. This is what we're trying to get rid of at the moment. Coal. We're trying to get away from that basically if we can, so we can make a cleaner environment. Okay, so we're looking at environmental changes. And let's look at what we're looking at the moment. Let's see if I can make that bigger. Okay, so we can see it. Okay, electrical transmission lines, and here we are. Okay, we're coming to turbines now. Oh, okay, that didn't come up much bigger, did it? Oh, okay, not big as I would have liked it to have done. Okay, right. Okay, thank you. Let's go back to where we were. Let's close you down for now. But you can see that we have a lot of information on this. Okay, this is excellent work. This is, I'm quite pleased that I have been able to get this lot of this information just by clicking on to the web. Okay, tremendous power. Okay, I hope you find this useful. Have a good day. Bye bye.